I'm going to show you how to make a Cuban cocktail. We're going to start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass, just like so. And I don't know about you, but my freezer is funky disgusting. So the ice in my freezer does not taste good. Yours might not either. If you have a gross freezer and you don't want to clean it, but you want your cocktail to taste better, just pour some water over your ice to rinse it, flip it upside down and strain it in the kitchen sink, and voila. All right, then we're going to add to this 2 ounces of light rum. That's 1 and 2. And then I'm going to add in just a splash, like an ounce, of sour mix. So 1 part sour mix to 2 parts light rum. Go ahead and shake this up. And if you want your drink to be a little less rummy and strong, you can just add in more sour mix to your taste. So just adjust it to the way you like it. All right, put your strainer on top of your shaker. Go ahead and pour that into your cocktail glass. Try not to spill it everywhere, as I just have. And there you have it, a Cuban cocktail. Cheers.